Okay, so there's this game. Not sure if you've heard of it. It's called Sky Wars. It's pretty fun, you know. Wait, where did this game come from? Oh my God! I think I know a game where it came from. Okay, sorry. Anyways, this game copied off of this game because idiot got banned, or like developer got fired. That developer made a game, tried to make it better than this. It's actually a little better than the Skywars version. Ha! In your face, Bedwars. Sorry. No hate to Bedwars, by the way. But anywho, I made a game called Sword Wars. And that has nothing to do with that intro. I'll tell you why I made this game. So Skywars is pretty fun. It inspired me to make a game. Definitely didn't copy off of it or anything. We're gonna have to like that game. And we're gonna have to favorite that. And then we're not going to report the abuse. Alright, so let's click play, and then let's open Roblox, and then we will get into this game, and I will actually join this game in my alt account to show you guys what the weapons do, and like the building is kind of hard in this game, but I'm planning to like change it if I can find a better building script. Because the one I currently have, I changed it around a little bit. I made it the best I can. Like I changed the script a little bit. Okay, so like now the block's like anchored and it's like a lot better. Alright, so you get into the game, you know, you have the classic like walking thing. Oh yeah, and this, I'm only Samurai Boy because that was the model for those people. Yeah, these people over here, the blacksmiths. I'll show you what they do. Actually pretty sick. So building. You get a little hammer. Basically just have to click the part where you want to put the part built. So if you spam right here, you basically can make a little pathway. You see? That's how you build. Now let me quickly join the game on my alt account while I spam building. Alright, there. Dungeon Quest Grinder. You may remember him. Killship Warrior, my alt account. Alright, now we're going to do a 1v1, me and my alt account. Yeah, I'm changing this building system for sure. Oh, I just made that. Cool. Time to build up. Fortnite. Yeah, building is kind of hard in this game, so yeah, I'm like I said, I'm almost definitely gonna change it. I was thinking about advertising this game, and I tried, but the image size was incorrect. It's the silliest thing. That's so silly. Alright, okay, if I can just like get up here, that'd be great. Like that'd be amazing. Okay, no, I was probably able to get up here from the start. Let's be honest. All right, now we're at the blacksmith. That took us like 2 minutes, 30 seconds. I'm going to change that. Don't worry. Now the blacksmith, in case you didn't realize, there's a circle in front of him. You walk in the circle. Bam! You get a sword. You walk on it again. You get another sword. Oh God, the sound is on my. Oh. Now, you know, you have your epic sword. You're so cool, right? Now you see a Brit. You got your third sword. Nice. Oh my God, you have so many swords. Okay, but anyways, you want to go to mill. Oh, but look at that. There's a big boy over there. Oh, it's a big boy. Wait, what's that? What is he taking out? Oh shoot, it's a crossbow. Yeah, you can shoot you just spam the crossbow. Okay, I kind of like I tried my best to like make it so you can spam. I'm probably gonna add maybe like a different crossbow, but like basically we're here, you can E to pick up, then you also get a med kit. Like that's why you go to middle to get those med kits. And the reason you want the med kit is because, let me give you an example. You see, this sweaty tryhards can just spam you with this crossbow. See, it just does a bunch of damage to me. And okay, I think I can't aim. I'm so good at my own game. I always suck at my own game for some reason. I don't know why. I just do. And we'll hire. See ya. Yeah, oh my god, I'm taking damage. I died actually. Oops. That wasn't my attack. Oh yes, let's go, daddy. So now you see, I'm right here. He can, you can basically just battle it out. He can crossbow me. It's like, no, you don't spawn on my team. That's just not how it works. You spawn on a different team, and then you can build to a different blacksmith. Yeah, that's basically how it works. You spawn, you build to a blacksmith, so it can grab. Oh yeah, there's also sprint, so you can go supersonic speed. But I'm not going to use that right now because I'll probably just fall off. I'm not going to be trusted with sprint in my own game. You know, it's kind of sad. Let's just spam the button quickly. Then we can build over to that blacksmith. Trust me, the building used to be a lot worse. I fixed it up a lot. And when I say worse, I mean worse. Bam, bam, spam that. Alright, nice. Now we are over to the blacksmith. Jump, grab sword. Okay, so, as I was saying before I got rudely interrupted by my alt account, you pick up the medkit. The reason you want the medkit is because you can do this with the medkit. You can click and then you fart, which heals you. No, sorry, medkit gas or something like that. I don't even know. So I'm just gonna like stand right here, let my alt account do its thing. Alt account, do your thing. Okay, let's crossbow you. Okay, it's crossbowing me, and I can heal. Ha! Take that. You cannot kill. You can't kill me now, right? I don't think so. Yeah, now I have the power of heal. I'm just missing. Oh, I was aiming at the other person. Don't mind me. I stuck him around here. I was aiming at the blacksmith. Sorry. But yeah, I need to get good at aiming. No, I suck at aiming. Sorry. Oh, dang it! I forgot to use this stupid thing. Alright. And then, oh, yeah, there's also this. I can just, that, yeah, oh, God. Oh, God, I didn't realize you could do that. Yeah, I'm removing this right away. There's like a delete thing, so like, what you can do is you can it's like a pickaxe, basically, in Bed Wars. You can basically just build, okay, and then you can delete your, that doesn't work, but you can delete the map. Wait, am I about to get disconnected? Nothing is, it's not working. What? Okay, that's weird. Okay, anyways, yeah, I'm removing that build tool, so or that delete tool, because it just deleted that right there. You saw that, right? Yeah, because I can go it's not working! Okay, so actually you should just play Sword Wars right now. Link to the game will maybe be in the description if you want to play it, or you can just look at my profile. That's my username, now go wild. Alright, nice. Killer Shark Warrior 2, go on the profile, search it. What the heck is the game called again? Sword Wars, Sky Wars, guys. Sword Wars, get the best building experience of your life. Try. Come on, let me spam this. Bam, I just spammed that. Now I have the tiniest bridge. Or you could also build from over here. I guess that could work too. Build this blacksmith again. So if you also, I might be updating the game too. I'm not sure what kind of updates you guys might want me to put. But, if you have any update ideas, let me know in the comments. That's how you build fast. I didn't realize that was how you build fast. Now let me build up. Yeah, that's basically just the video. I'm just gonna be updating it, maybe. Yeah, sorry, I was just texting someone. But yeah, that's the Epic Gaming game. You can game if you want inside of this game. And yeah, please play it. Oh my god, that GUI looks sick.